Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2021 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension classification, solid live axle, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.